Good afternoon everyone, it's Craig the Computer Geek here with this week's episode of Tech Tip Tuesday. This week I want to talk to you about scammers and spammers. There's been happening a lot in the lead up to Christmas, which is only, 9 days away now, so we're getting a lot of this through email, particularly. I've seen attachments, purporting to be, oh, here's your delivery, just click on this link or open this PDF or something along those lines. So just be, I know I keep banging on about this, but I really feel that it's important, especially coming up to Christmas, as I said. So many emails, spammers and scammers, either by phone or by text message or by email. I want to talk to you also this week about phone software. There are some apps that come with both Android and Apple phones that you can install that pre-screen phone numbers before you even have to answer the call. So I always wait a couple of seconds before answering the phone just to see if a phone number pops up on a list that's potential scam or potential fraud or potential spam or telemarketers or whatever it is that are trying to separate you from your money or steal your identity. So just have a look out for some of these. Hiya is one example that I use on my phone. So I don't answer international calls, or I very rarely answer interstate calls unless I know or I'm expecting it. Most of my calls are either local Canberra numbers or on mobiles, and even mobile phone numbers these days you have to be careful of, because scammers will use those, and this happens to me probably multiple times a day, on average, maybe 2 or 3 times a day. Sometimes I might not get one, but usually I get at least one a day, sometimes 3 or 4. So you really need to watch out for this. So that's what I wanted to highlight this week. Get that phone software, so you can either get it through the Play Store on the Play Store on an Android phone, or the App Store on an Apple phone, and install that software, so you at least got a first line of defence against people that are trying to waste your time or trying to steal your money or your identity. So I'll be back next week. So in the meantime, stay safe, be careful, and I'll see you for the next video. Thanks, bye.